Hi everybody, my name is Doug and today I'm going to be unboxing and taking a first look at this mattress right here. This is the Tuft Needle mattress in queen size. I've been looking forward to reviewing this mattress for a while. It's one of the most popular mattresses out there. Based on Amazon search results, it'll usually come up in the first page if you type in queen memory foam mattress. And it's one of the 7 or 8 most reviewed mattresses on Amazon. In fact, amongst mattresses that are between $500 and $1,000, it's the most reviewed mattress on Amazon in that middle price point. So once I get it out of the box, I'll give you some first impressions. I'll sleep on it for a few nights and then I'll make a follow-up video, so stay tuned, where I give you my full impressions. But before I can start sleeping on it, we got to get it out of the box. So let's do that now. Here we go. What do you think? Came out pretty easily. Like with any sealed up mattress that you get, be very careful when cutting the plastic that you don't accidentally cut through the innermost layer and damage the fabric. This is a 10-inch thick mattress in queen size. In terms of weight, the package from UPS said it was 88 pounds. So that's a little lighter than some of the mattresses I've reviewed that are comparable. That could be a pro or a con, we'll have to see. Made it easier to get it up the stairs, that's for sure. Only time will tell. In terms of feel, it's I don't want to say it's a typical memory foam feel. This is an all foam mattress, but it's a hair bouncier than like what you would consider to be a full-blown Tempur-Pedic type feel. It's more of a responsive foam type of feel, a quick response. Having said that, this will need at least 2 to 4 hours to get air and fully inflate, is what I recommend at least. Better part of a day is ideal. And in terms of smell, very little smell, just a little bit of that new mattress smell, really not much at all. You can see I'm sinking down quite a bit here, but like I said, this has some time to go before it fully expands. Well, I'm looking forward to diving into this mattress trial, and then I'll follow up with you in a few days, maybe a week or 2, and let you know what I think. In the meantime, if you like this video and other videos like it, I would really appreciate it if you'd subscribe and click that thumbs up button. Well, catch up with me on my next video. Until then, catch you later.